That's a woman who's looking for a comfortable life. You're always going to have those women. She's not interested in that. She doesn't care how he looks. She doesn't care about any of this stuff. She just wants a nice, comfortable life. It's prostitution, essentially. It's like, socially acceptable prostitution. And now, there's ways to get around that. You can meet these kind of women, and that's what they want. You can come along, and then you can build attraction with them, and then you can close them. You can love close them, and then their whole perception of you changes. They don't care about the money or anything. But to begin with, the starting point is that there are some women like that. There's a lot of tough times for people out there right now. So women are going back to, OnlyFans. Look at that. It's booming. It's booming. But I think, a lot of women, they want more the kind of, as I said, it's the idea of being with someone who's confident and successful that's more attractive.